In the age of artificial intelligence, a question that once seemed reserved for science fiction has become a pressing topic of discussion. Can AI scientists truly write research papers? As AI technology advances at an astonishing rate, it's no surprise that it has begun to infiltrate even the most intricate and intellectually demanding fields, including science. For years, AI has been used to assist researchers by processing vast amounts of data, predicting outcomes, and analyzing trends. But now, we find ourselves facing the possibility that AI might not just be a helpful tool in research. It could potentially take the lead in writing entire research papers. At its core, research is about asking questions, discovering new ideas, and making connections that push the boundaries of human knowledge. Historically, these processes have been driven by human intuition, creativity, and critical thinking. But AI, with its impressive computational power, has the ability to sift through millions of studies, identify patterns, and even suggest new hypotheses, all at a speed and accuracy far beyond human capabilities. This raises an intriguing question. If AI can handle the grunt work of research, could it eventually take over the writing process as well? Today, AI has already begun to prove its worth in various areas of scientific research. Machine learning models and data analysis tools are commonly used to extract insights from massive datasets, uncover trends, and even generate hypotheses. More recently, natural language processing algorithms, like GPT-3, have made strides in generating text that mimics human writing with impressive accuracy. This technology is capable of drafting coherent paragraphs, summarizing complex ideas, and presenting information in a way that closely resembles human-written research papers. But despite these advancements, the true challenge remains. Can AI write an entire paper, one that meets the standards of academic rigor and intellectual depth expected in scientific communities? At present, AI can certainly assist in the research and writing process. It can help scientists draft sections of papers, refine language, suggest edits, and even cross-reference existing literature to ensure that no vital information is overlooked. In fact, some researchers are already using AI to streamline their writing process, using it as a tool to help them craft clearer, more precise papers. However, AI's involvement is still far from fully autonomous. While it can write with impressive technical accuracy, it lacks the spark of creativity and the nuanced understanding that human researchers bring to their work. The creative process of forming a research question, developing new theories, and interpreting data in groundbreaking ways still relies heavily on human intuition. One of the fundamental challenges AI faces in writing research papers is its lack of understanding. AI can analyze data and generate text, but it does not truly understand the implications of the research it processes. It can identify patterns and correlations, but it cannot question existing assumptions or form novel insights based on intuition or experience. Research often requires leaps of logic, new ways of thinking, and the ability to challenge preconceived notions. AI, while powerful, still lacks this level of intellectual creativity. It is bound by the rules it has been programmed with, and while it can make predictions based on patterns, it cannot truly innovate. Moreover, AI still has limitations in areas like ethical considerations, biases in data interpretation, and the ability to account for complex, subjective variables that human researchers can navigate. In scientific inquiry, context, values, and ethics play a critical role in shaping conclusions, and AI, as sophisticated as it may be, doesn't possess the moral framework or the ability to consider these factors in the same way a human scientist does. That being said, the role of AI in research is still invaluable. Instead of replacing human researchers, AI is more likely to act as a powerful collaborator, streamlining the research process, identifying connections that may have gone unnoticed, and accelerating the pace of discovery. AI's ability to rapidly analyze large datasets, eliminate human error, and provide suggestions for further investigation can empower researchers to focus on the most critical and creative aspects of their work. AI could potentially handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, allowing scientists to spend more time on analysis, interpretation, and hypothesis generation. Looking toward the future, it's clear that AI has the potential to reshape the landscape of scientific research. While it may not fully replace the human element in research writing, it could become an essential tool in the scientific process. Imagine a world where AI helps researchers not just by organizing data or writing drafts, but by suggesting innovative research questions and offering insights into uncharted territories. In this world, AI would act as both an assistant and a catalyst for human creativity, empowering scientists to push the boundaries of knowledge even further. Ultimately, the question is not whether AI can write research papers, but how we, as a society, choose to integrate AI into the scientific process. AI is not the replacement for human researchers. It's the tool that enhances their abilities. By working together, humans and machines can tackle some of the greatest challenges of our time, from curing diseases to understanding the complexities of the universe. The future of scientific research lies in collaboration, where AI and human researchers combine their strengths to unlock new possibilities and accelerate discoveries in ways we've never imagined before. In conclusion, while AI has made remarkable strides in assisting with scientific writing and research, it still cannot replace the creativity, intuition, and understanding that human scientists bring to the table. However, as AI continues to evolve, it is likely to become an indispensable ally in the pursuit of knowledge, helping researchers move faster, think bigger, and explore new frontiers. The real question is not whether AI can write a research paper, but rather how we can best use it to push the limits of what we can achieve together.